is so delicious. This is so delicious.
Already? That was quick. Luck is a two-way street.
I've heard the sandwiches here are pretty good. Hello? Can I help you?
Congratulations! You are our lucky customer. I'm here to take your order.
Lucky customer? Thanks, but I was just standing in line for a sandwich. Now I'm the lucky customer? Don't tell me it's because you think I sound like the singer of the Starlight Night theme song again.
Luck can strike when you least expect it. The chef loved your performance.
Ah, I see. Then I'd like the avocado chicken sandwich, which looks fresh and healthy. And the fried cheese dumplings that look like they'll fill me up. I'm also a bit thirsty. How about a cup of lemon tea?
No problem. Got it all.
By the way, let the chef know I appreciate that it liked my song. And if the chef's free at my next gig, it's welcome to be my lucky listener.
Waiting in line.
Let me think. Avocado chicken sandwich. Cheese fried dumplings. Lemon tea.
The chef finishes preparing Tarshi's meal in no time.
No problem. I'll do it before we head out. Sure.
thing. Little Bang Boo? No need to be nervous. Right. You totally weren't nervous. Oh, I get it now. You're a fan of mine, aren't you? Look, even if you are a fan, try not to get too excited, alright? If you keep shaking like that, I won't be able to focus the camera on you for our photo.
How about I take the photo?
As soon as the photo was taken, Look Away bolted. Tarshi looked a little embarrassed. Perhaps he hasn't taken a photo with someone so shy before? But with how much he cares about his fans, I'm sure he'll finish writing his review in no time.
The sandwich tasted great, the fried cheese dumplings were very good, and the lemon tea was refreshing. Perfect for a meal to recharge during the break. I'm honored to have been invited by the chef and the delivery staff, but it seems both of you take your roles as my fans too seriously, and were quite nervous. Thank you for your support. I will keep working hard.
The schedule has been updated, Master.
This is the first time the Bread of Belief event has come to Lumina.
The shining golden sign. Let your inner spark ignite. Find a treasure, a growing bright. Reach out for it and take a flight. Lucky or not, at least you tried. Chin up,